perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and
a hairy situation. The perfect souvenir. Bigger than a pint. Balancing act.
don't exist in objective reality.
Wheels on wheels. Grabbing some sun. Heavy lifting. Landing gear. Look closely. That friend who always has your back. A day at the beach.
Expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Catman. He's got it. Zoom. That's a big bucket. So that's why it leans. Bubble boy. Freeing a flock of birds.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.